of John Elway as the Broncos are out in front 17-0. Mark Herman. Winslow has it for about 5 yards. There's Kubiak loosening up in the snow. As much as he wants to play, you got to want to say, now, in these conditions, thanks a lot.
Well, that's a job of a backup quarterback in the NFL.
Barry Redden. And Steve Wilson makes the tackle.
Now the Chargers going with a hurry-up offense with 10 minutes and 21 seconds left. No need to wait till there's 2-minute warning. They're down by 17 points.
Herman is pressure, slides away from it. Intercepted. Ricky Hunley. Hunley has the score. Dennis McKnight was chasing him, but he couldn't catch him. 51 yards.
You also have to give credit to Greg Cragen on the play. Number 71 was sneaking in to try to grab a hold of Mark Herman on the contest. But Ricky Hunley, as maligned as he's been all season long, they need him through the playoffs. He's been performing better. That's a big plus for the Denver staff and for the fans here. They're going to need him for the playoffs.
And Carlos will attempt the point after. It's got to hurt. It has to hurt. Barefoot in the snow. It is good. 24-0.
A big...
Let's take another look.
There's Greg Cragen, 71, who forces him out. It's just a bad throw on the part of Herman and a great catch on the part of Hunley. Then he does his job. Herman with not a very good effort to try to bring him down. He outruns McKnight to the end zone. Ricky Hunley from Petersburg, Virginia. Now, that high school, that's a $100 fine, by the way, for him throwing the football out. He's from Petersburg, Virginia. That high school has retired 2 numbers. Ricky Hunley's and Moses Malone's. That's the kind of player he is.
Jamie Holland on the return. Oh, it takes all kinds to celebrate the holidays. Bruce Klostrom made the tackle.
Hunley has been a great athlete from his high school days. That's the reason, of course, why he's expected so much of him. But he's played well the last couple of weeks and really has rallied this Bronco defense. They've not played as well as they had in the previous years, especially last season when they won the AFC Championship. But they're performing better, and a lot of that reason is because of Ricky Hunley.
There's the time remaining in the game. 9:51. Denver leads it 24-0. Tim Spencer, bit back by Greg Cragen. Not the kind of weather that you can make a comeback in, so it looks as if the Chargers will go from 8-1 to 8-7, losing their last 6 in a row. Meanwhile, the Denver Broncos, in the Super Bowl last year, the division champions with home field advantage, it puts them in the driver's seat to get to back-to-back Super Bowls, which is very difficult to do. Here's Herman. They may have... No, they still 19 seconds on the clock. There was some kind of contact, and the play stopped before the snap. Possibly motion. Yes, it'll be motion by the offense. You know, it's difficult for the officials, too, to slip and slide.
False start offense. 7 down.
Fred Wyatt. False start offense. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. That's Don Masick, the offensive center, in his 12th year for San Diego. 2nd and 20.